So from the Stripe dashboard, click on your own name at the top left of the screen. Then hover your mouse over Switch to Sandbox option and tap on Create Sandbox option right here. You are free to name the brand new test account and choose to copy everything from the real account or just create a brand new account. After that, click on Create the Sandbox button. It will take a few seconds until the test account fully generated. Right here, you may test everything with this test or sandbox account, like making a fake subscription, fake invoice, or so on. And to go back to your real account, again, click on your own name at top left of the screen. Then hit the Exit Sandbox button over here. If you still have any question, just comment them below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.